Hey guys, welcome to our JV Impacts YouTube channel. You're here in the JV Impacts kitchen and compound. Weekly, my wife and I are going to be coming to you guys with new macro-friendly recipes to help you stay on track with your nutrition plan, really showing you that getting healthy should not be hard. It should be fun, it should be easy, and you should be able to enjoy yourself. So hope you enjoy the video, and let's go. Okay guys, welcome back. You're here in our kitchen. This is real life. Just want to share a little bit about our life. So we have 3 kids, a 13-year-old, a 10-year-old. We got baby John right here. And my wife is going to be showing you guys how to put a breakfast burrito together that's macro-friendly, that's so easy and convenient, and it tastes delicious. So our commitment to you guys as our family, our JV Impacts family, is to bring you easy, convenient ways to stay healthy and stay on track. So I'm going to film my wife making this burrito. She's going to explain to you exactly how to put it together. Let's get rocking.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you a quick and easy, fast, macro-friendly breakfast burrito. I'm just doing some egg whites. I use these organic, uncooked tortillas. You can get them at Costco. They are so amazing. They're addicting, but of course you can use any low-carb tortilla that you choose. I use just a pinch of the reduced fat cheddar. I do turkey bacon because I have to watch my fat, and then just some eggs. So I've already cooked my bacon, I've already cooked my eggs, and I'm just going to heat up my tortilla. It just takes a few minutes to cook it. And then I'm just gonna throw it all together. Of course, you can throw any veggies, any kind of meat. It doesn't have to be bacon. I like to add a little bit of avocado, add some salsa, any kind of veggies or lean meats that you want to use. And that's it. Again, you know, you can use any kind of veggies or salsas and lean meats, anything that you like in your burrito. This is particularly what I like, and it's pretty big. It's 3 egg whites in here, and this will be completely filling until lunch. It's a little messy.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's recap really quickly. You have the eggs, farm fresh eggs. You got the Jenny-O turkey bacon. We got the uncooked tortillas from Costco. My wife said they're absolutely delicious. You heard her. You got the Sharp Cheddar, just a little tiny sprinkle on that. I wouldn't put too much if you're on a macro plan. And then your delicious avocados that cost like $10,000 because of California. I'm just kidding. But anyways, delicious. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. We're going to come to you guys with quick, easy, convenient, macro-friendly nutrition ideas. We want to make it fun, we want to make it exciting, and as you can see, you do it as a family. You know, here we are in our JV Impacts compound, but we enjoy bringing you guys stuff that's going to help you and your family get healthier and move you into a great new year. Thank you guys. We will check in.